This is our last example for the day. A proportion is an equation that represents equal ratios. Use the table at the right. How many times will a hummingbird beat its wings in 60 seconds? So this is what a hummingbird can do. In 2 seconds, it can beat its wings 160 times. In 7 seconds, it can beat its wings 560. In 10 seconds, it can beat its wings 800 times. So the question is, sorry, hummingbird, extend this table out. Could you find out what it would do in 60 seconds? Okay, in order to do that, we got to see first, is it proportional? If it's proportional, then we can expand that to any unknown that we want, because we know what the ratio should be, then we should be able to expand that to create any unknown we want. So we're going to verify that the number of seconds and the number of wing beats are proportional. So really doesn't matter how you did this, but in this case, they did seconds as the denominator and the wing beats as the numerator. So they're doing wing beats divided by seconds. When you do this, 60 divided by 160 divided by 2 is 80. 560 divided by 7 is 80. And then 800 divided by 10 is 80. So number one, is it proportional? Yeah, we have that same rate in which we could do that, our proportion, and we can see what is the rate or what is the constant proportionality, and you're going to get 80. So then we can expand on this. How do I use that 80 to find out what they do in 60 seconds? So what you can do is you can write 80 as a proportion. You have 80 beats every 1 second. So then you would get how many beats every 60 seconds. So just kind of what we did in our previous class, we're finding out how did this change. So what did we do to 1 to get it to turn into 60? Multiplied it by 60. So what are we going to do to 80? Multiply it by 60, and that will be how many beats a hummingbird can beat its wings in a minute. So 80 times 60, however you want to do it. I'm going to ignore the zeros. 8 times 6 is 48, and then I'm going to combine those zeros back down. So 4,800 beats is what it can do.